Hello friends, welcome to part 109 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So in this part, we are going to work on the CMS page CRUD and its front-end implementation in Laravel 12. So the CMS page CRUD I have already done at my end. I'm going to show you the steps that I have taken to create this CMS pages CRUD. With the CMS pages CRUD, we are going to integrate the pages like static pages like about us, privacy policy, terms and condition, and more static pages like we are going to manage these pages from the admin panel. Okay, so that we can easily able to manage these pages from the admin panel. Like here in footer, you can see about us, contact us. See, contact us is different that we are going to create the form, but about us, FAQ, terms and condition, privacy policy, all these pages can be managed from the admin panel. And for that, we have created the CMS pages module. I'm going to show you these steps so that you can able to do this CMS pages CRUD at your end. Okay, so I have created the CRUD here. I can able to add the CMS page, able to edit it, able to delete it as well. Okay, so the steps that I have taken. First, I have created the migration file for creating the CMS page. We are going to name it the pages table. Okay. We are going to add the columns like ID is already there, title, URL, description, meta title, meta description, meta keyword, status, sort order, and timestamps. In timestamps, created that and updated that. Okay. So we have run this migration and able to create this pages table. I'm going to show the pages table. This is the pages table that we have created with all the required columns. These are the columns that I have just explained you. Okay, so we have created this pages table with these columns. So after that, we have created this page model. Okay, and we have given all the columns here in fillable array. And after that, we have created the page request as well for the validation, for validating this form that we have created here for adding the CMS page. Okay, and for that, we have added all the validation here in our request file, page request file. Okay, like we have done in the other modules as well. After that, we have done that page service, all the logic stored in this page service that is located in app services admin. Okay, and we have added the logic of adding and editing the page and deleting the page from here. And also we can able to update the page status if you want to disable any page at the front end. Okay, so finally we have added the page controller at controllers admin folder, in which we have called that we have injected that page service so that we can able to use this page service in all the functions. Okay, but exact logic is in page service only. Okay, so this page controller we have created at the at the admin level. Okay, so after that, we have created that index.php file under admin pages. This folder we have created under admin resources view admin pages. Then we have created that index.php file that will contain the data table to show all the pages. Okay, so I'm going to add these pages here that we have shown here in the data table. And along with that, I have created that add edit page blade file in which we have created the add edit page form. Okay, so that we can able to add and edit the CMS page. So this one we have done for the admin, and we have created some routes in the admin resource route that will help us to automatically create the routes like add, edit, okay, complete CRUD routes. Okay, that resource route contains complete CRUD route, and after that we have also created that update page status to update the page status. Okay, so that is the admin part for you. Front I'm going to do right now, but here I'm going to add one page here. Like I'm going to add here the about us page with the URL about us, and I'm going to add the content coming soon. I'm going to make its title about us, keyword like about us, about, and meta title. This is or simply about us page of e-commerce website. Anything we can write, and sort order I'm going to give one. Click on submit, and here you can see the page added successfully. Okay, so we able to create the page like this, and now we can able to edit the page. Here you can see the complete page details have come up. We have added the editor as well if you want to make the content bold, or want to add any other special character, you can simply add it from here. Okay, and also we can able to edit if we want to make some changes, like this page is coming, so I'm going to make it like page is coming soon. Okay, I'm going to submit, and you can see that we can able to make these changes. You can see here page is coming soon has come up here. We can also able to delete as well as update the status for this one. You can see I have disabled this page. Okay, and it has been disabled. Okay, I have enabled it once again. So this page I want to show here, I want to make this link dynamic. Okay, and I'm going to work for that, and once I will click on about us, then the page will get open. So now I'm going to take the front end steps. Okay, for the front end I'm going to create the page controller at the front end. Okay, here in ecom 12 folder, app, HTTP, controllers, front, and here we are going to create the page controller under front folder. I will simply move the page here in the Sublime, and now I will add the content here. Okay, this content we have added to show the CMS page at the front end. We are going to add, see this function we have added, show function, and now we are going to add the show blade file as well. But first we are going to add the page service that will actually contain the logic of this CMS page at the front end. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, and we'll make the file under app services front. Here we are going to create this file. Okay, okay, after this, here we can see front end routes. We are going to add the front end routes in web.php file. We have the admin routes here. I'm going to show you here first admin routes. See, we have the admin routes here. Okay, and now we are going to have the front routes. Here we are already having the alias for the page controller for the front. Okay, and now we are going to add its route and priority. We are going to give the priority like first products routes, then categories route, and CMS pages route. What it means here, I'm going to show you the common link for all. Like here you can see the category link. Here it is like slash directly. You can see the slash, then men t-shirt, and here you can see the product link. Product link is also the slash, then the product link, and the CMS link will also something like this about us. Okay, so there the conflict can arise if the product URL or the category URL or the CMS page URL is same. Like suppose in case I have created the category like t-shirt, or I have created the category something common like, okay, so t-shirt, and I have created the product URL like t-shirt as well, and I have created the CMS page URL like the t-shirt as well. So in that case, we are going to give the priority first of all to the products, means the products page will open if the URL is common. After that, we are going to give the priority to the categories, and on the third number, we are going to give the priority to the CMS page. Now, suppose if the URL is same for all these three, then the products page will open. And if the URL is same for categories and CMS pages, then the categories page will open. Okay, and the third priority will be given to the CMS pages. So that's why we are going to create the products URL first, then this category URL, then the CMS page URL. Okay, so make sure here we are doing in the same way. First, I'm going to move the products URL at the top after home. Okay. After Prux URL, we are going to add the category URL. It's already there. Fine. And after that, we are going to add the CMS pages URL. Okay. Okay. So here you can see now we are going to create this front, then pages, then show.bait.py. That is the common file for all the CMS pages. ecom12 resources, views, then front. Under front, we are going to create one folder, pages folder. Under pages folder, we are going to create the file show.bait.php. So this is the content for displaying the CMS page. That is the common CMS page for all the CMS pages. Okay, we're going to align it as well. Okay, so this will help us to display the CMS page. Here the title will come and here the description of the CMS page will come. Okay, and header footer we have added in the same way like we have added for the other blade files. So now I'm going to open that CMS page that we have just added. Its URL is about us. So I'm going to make it about us like this. Let's see. Yes, here you can see that we able to see the about us page. We able to show the about us page here. Okay, like this we can create all the pages like FAQ. Or the FAQ we can create the page like FAQ. Here we can simply make it like FAQ, the slug. Okay, mention like coming soon. We can give the sort order. Sort order is required whenever we are going to make this dynamic, like it will automatically come whenever we will add here. Okay, so that's why. Okay, and after FAQ we can also add these terms and condition and privacy policy. Okay, and finally privacy policy. So we have added all these pages in the admin panel, and its URLs will also work like terms and condition. Okay, like this. So now we are going to make these links dynamic as well. So now it's your choice if you want to add the loop here so that it will automatically come, or you can simply give the URL to this. Okay, so uh, we are going to simply give the URLs to these links like this. We can give the URLs for the other pages that we have created, for FAQ, for terms and condition, for privacy policy. We are going to test once about this FAQ, terms and conditions, and privacy policy. Okay, so we can able to make these footer links dynamic. So all these pages are managed from the admin panel. Okay, so now you can do this at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. And make sure you can join as a member to get the complete source code and support. So it will really help you to get your project done. Okay, not only for this project, I can help you for your own project as well if you will join as a member. So if you are doing any Laravel project, it will really help you to get your project done. I am going to help you in your project, in any of your Laravel project once you will join as a member. Okay, and you can always subscribe free of cost. That is free for getting all the updates. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.